Hey everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. I've got a really simple and pretty recipe to share. You won't believe how easy it is to make. Alright, apron on, let's begin. Crack 1 large egg, about 60 grams without shell, into a mixing bowl. Add 80 grams fine sugar to the egg. Using a hand mixer, beat the egg and sugar until light and fluffy. The mixture should look pale and slightly thickened. Add 30 grams neutral oil and 30 grams melted salted butter into the whipped mixture. Continue mixing just until the oil and butter are fully incorporated. The mixture should look smooth and glossy. Add 220 grams self-raising flour, 20 grams custard powder, and 100 grams chopped dried cranberries into the bowl. Mix everything together until it forms a soft, uniform dough. Don't overmix. Stop as soon as there are no dry spots. Divide the dough into 12 equal portions. Roll each piece into a smooth ball and set aside. In a separate mixing bowl, add 60 grams egg, about 1 medium egg without shell. Add 80 grams fine sugar and beat until light and fluffy. Add 30 grams neutral oil and 30 grams melted salted butter into the mixture. Mix briefly until fully combined. Add 220 grams self-raising flour and 20 grams matcha powder. Mix until it comes together into a soft dough. Divide the matcha dough into 12 equal portions. Lightly grease a muffin or cupcake tray. Place each cranberry dough ball into the molds, 1 per cavity. Place 1 matcha dough ball on top of each cranberry dough ball. Gently press down with your palm to slightly flatten and secure them together. Use a cookie press to firmly stamp the top of each matcha dough. This flattens the cookie slightly and leaves a decorative imprint. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden and the tops are set. These tart cookie cups are simple, pretty, and full of flavor. Serve them as they are, or pair with vanilla bean whipped cream, lightly sweetened mascarpone cream, or a yogurt cream cheese dip with a touch of honey. Don't forget to like, comment, and share if you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next recipe.